These baked chicken drumsticks are super easy to make, and the oven practically does all the work. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. You're gonna start out with your chicken drumsticks. You can cook a regular size tray or a family size tray. I'll leave everything you need to know below this video. First, you are going to take those drumsticks out and place them on top of paper towels. Then you're going to pat them dry to absorb that moisture that it's slimy that's on the tray. You can also remove some of the excess fat if you need to. And now you have chicken drumsticks that are ready to be seasoned. Now I'm lining my baking sheet with foil for easy cleanup. We're going to make the seasoning mixture in this large bowl by first adding some olive oil at the bottom. Then I'm gonna add salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. You're gonna mix these to create a thick paste. It's gonna go all on our chicken. Then you're gonna take your chicken drumsticks and place them a couple in the bowl and rub them on the mixture. You can do it one by one, or you can put your chicken drumsticks in the bowl if it's large enough and toss them around to coat. Either way, you're using your hands to make sure that they're all coated with some of the oil and spices. And then one by one, you take them out of the bowl and you're gonna place them on your baking sheet. These are gonna go in our preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. But if your drumsticks are on the large side, like mine are, they may take up to 50, 55. The best part is that unlike chicken breast, you can't overcook drumsticks, so don't worry. Halfway through, I'm gonna use some kitchen tongs to flip these over, and if you like your skins crispy, leave them uncovered. When they're ready, out they come, nice and golden brown. These are perfectly cooked inside, check them out. And this, my friends, is a dinner that practically cooked itself. Get everything that you need to make these incredible chicken drumsticks in the oven right below this video. And if you're into these kind of easy dinners, grab this one next. See you next time. So good.